Hello and welcome back to our Russian lesson. Today we'll continue to count the numbers. Цифры. Цифра, it's one. Цифры, it's plural. Numbers. Today from 20 to 1000. And so, let's go. 20. Okay. 2. 20. 3. 20. 40. The number 40, 40, has a historical origin. It comes from the word of shirt, сорочка, which was used to measure one of 4,000 heights in merchant negotiation. This is for the, for example, for the leather. And so, 50, 50, 60. So you see 10, 10, it's 10. 5, 10. 6, 10. It's without the sign, soft sign. But anyway, it's quite logical. 60. 70. 80. 90. 100. So let's count together. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, let's continue. Двести. 300. 400. 500. 500. 600. So here we are. 100, it's 100. 500, so 500. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. 700. 800. 900. 1000. тысяча, тысяча, non тысяча, тысяча. 700, 800, 900, 1000. The numbers in Russian, it's pronounced like, for example, 21, 21. Classical, like in English, order of numbers. For example, 1000, 1000, 600, 72, 1672. And for example, let's put some number. +7, their country code, Russian. 900, 51, 600, 44, 12, 27. So it can be one of the Russian mobile numbers. In Russian, we say the home or landline number is домашний home number, городской. This is an adjectives. So дом, it's home. Домашний, 2 houses. Город is city. Городской is the city number. After we have рабочий, работа is work, so work number. And after that we have мобильный, mobile, сотовый, cellular, телефон. Now I would like to introduce for you the speaking about age. Сколько тебе лет? If you don't know, never seen, or the person in front of you is the new for you, never ask тебе. If you remember, always have to ask вам лет. Сколько вам лет? It's independent always, as I told you before, from the age, young or not, from the gender, or from the state of the people. This is correct form. Сколько вам лет? And so we have to use how old are you? This is the question. How old are you? We have to answer the question to whom, to what. Кому? Чему? This is the dative case. To whom, to what. And of course, we have to use the pronoun in dative case, as you see, тебе, вам. Let's check the dative case, the pronouns in dative case. Мне. Ты. тебе. Он ему. Она ей. Мы нам. To us. Вы, plural of you, or the formal, correct, official form, вам. Они became им, to them. To them. To you, plural, and to us. So, to me, to you, singular, to him, to her. And so, if you want to answer when someone asks you, сколько вам лет, you have to put your pronoun in dative case. Мне, for example, 20 лет. Also, we have to change from one, we say год. From 2 to 4, we say года. 2, 4, года. From 5 to 20, we say лет. You see, лет. This is genitive case. And so, for example, if you have 31, you say мне 31 год. If you have 43, you say года. If you have 58 лет. 58 лет. And so this is our Russian lesson with numbers and the age. See you there next time. Пока-пока.